Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel CA Foundation Classes, and this is me Pooja Sharma. In this video we are going to talk about how to download the admit card. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to visit the website ICAIexam.ici.org. This is what will display on your desktop or laptop. Do not try to download the admit card from your mobile phone because it might create some problem. So do it from your laptop or your desktop. So in the right navigation bar, you will see there is something which says login or register. Since you're already registered with this website because you had filled the examination form also, or you might have done the registration online for your CA Foundation course or CA Intermediate. Okay, so since you're already registered, you just have to click on the login button, and when you click on this, something like this will display. So in the login ID, you have to enter your registration number, NRO, CRO, ERO, FRO, whatever it is. Just enter that and enter the password, right? In case if you've forgotten the password, click on the forgot password option. There you can reset the password and then try to log in again. So when you will log in, you'll find that on the left hand side, it will have all your personal details, your photograph, your signatures, your name, number, father's name, mobile number, email ID, etc., etc. And on the right hand side, you will find that it will have a dialog box like this, which will have like several options depending on what exam or what attempt you are appearing. But today we have to just focus on this one which says admit card for May 2019, and you have to click on the view button. So whenever you'll click on the view button, a pop-up will open which will have at the end the continue button. So just go through the details once and click on the continue button. So when you'll click on the continue button, another pop-up will open, and on the top right hand corner you will find the print button. So now you have two options. In case if you're connected to the printer, you can directly give the print command and you'll get the print out of your admit card. But in case if you're not connected to the printer, then you can save the file as PDF and save the file in a local computer or like any of the important folders, so that you can save it for later use, because you can only download this admit card 3 times. So post 3 times you will not be able to download it. So do not try to download it again and again for no reason. Also make sure that you've unblocked the pop-up blocker for this website. So it might happen that whenever the pop-up is trying to open up, it's not opening up because the pop-up blocker might be. So in that case, you have to just click on this small button, right? And when you'll click on this, a dialog box will appear which will be similar to this. So you'll have like a lot of options where you can continue to block the pop-ups or you can allow the pop-ups from this website. So you have to click on always allow pop-ups from this website and then click on done, and that's all. You'll be done. You can save the file or you can just directly take a print out, right? So that's how we download the admit card. And in case if you have queries regarding the admit card, then do not worry, we are going to come up with the admit card FAQ videos very soon on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned with our YouTube channel. And that's all for this video. All right, bye bye, take care, namaste.